Hello everyone, PW OnlyIAS is celebrating the biggest festival for UPSC preparation, which is Pratigya Diwas, and they have bought all the biggest offers of the year for all UPSC aspirants. UPSC foundation batches for 2027 to 2028 are available at just rupees 10,000. You can get Prahar plus Sankalp in Hindi or English at just rupees 10,000, and also Pinnacle plus Titan in English at just rupees 10,000. And you can also get optional batches of all subjects for just rupees 10,000 in Hindi or English. If you have been waiting for the right opportunity and right time to start your preparation for UPSC, then this is the best opportunity for you to start. But the offer that caught my attention is Praram 2029 batch. I personally received many DMs regarding this, and also many of you were asking about foundation batches. So my friends were joined in this batch, and they told me about this batch, and I also thought of exploring it. So after exploring this batch and after knowing all the details of this batch, I thought of sharing it to you all too. That's why I'm doing this video for you all. So do watch this video till the end.
What makes Praram different is that it is not just a course, it is a complete 3-year UPSC preparation roadmap designed especially for beginners and also college students. Instead of leaving students confused about what to study, when to study and how to study, Praram provides a structured path from day one till the UPSC examination. What I personally found impressive is that everything is available under one platform, that you get NCERT classes, GS classes, CSAT classes, optional classes, even test series. Apart from academics, there is also personalized mentorship, faculty guidance and doubt resolution support, peer learning sessions, topper interactions, bureaucrat sessions. All these are included in this course. You can also check the demo videos which are given in this course, because they give you an idea about how the classes are going to be conducted and all these things, and the teacher interaction. Everything will be understood by watching these demo videos. The roadmap is divided into 3 stages basically. So the first stage is Adharshila, where students build strong basics through NCERTs and core GS topics. The second stage is Agrim Padhav, where preparation becomes more advanced with GS coverage, CSAT preparation, answer writing practices. And finally comes Final Abhyas, where the focus shifts towards optional subject preparation, revision, exam oriented practice, final UPSC readiness. So this gradual progression helps students avoid information overload and build preparation systematically. Even I used to be in that stage where I got so much confusion regarding resources and what to study and what not to study. So if you are serious about your UPSC and want a structured preparation plan instead of randomly collecting resources, the Praram 2029 batch is definitely worth checking out. And with the ongoing Pratigya Diwas offer, this is probably one of the most affordable times to enroll. If you are willing to purchase this course, then use my coupon code SSONY500 to get an extra discount. So you'll be getting the discount on this course. You can check on the screen that how I am applying the coupon code, so that you will get an idea about it, and you can check the batch details using the link given in the description. This is a limited period offer, so do grab this opportunity right now. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the very best for your UPSC journey.